What's up, home bartenders? Let's make a nice sparkling wine cocktail perfect for Thanksgiving and the fall season. Let's do it.
So this is the Fall 75, a nice seasonal riff on the French 75. Starting with 1.5 ounces of cognac into our glass, we then want 1/2 ounce of spiced apple syrup. That's a homemade recipe. I've got a video for that as well. So some apple syrup into our glass. We're then gonna do a couple dashes of maple walnut bitters. Any kind of seasonal bitters will do. Get some ice. We're gonna shake that up. Pour into, you could do a champagne fluid. I got a fancy glass here. And then we're gonna top it off with some sparkling wine. I've got a cava here, but whatever you got will work. I'm gonna garnish this with a star anise, and there it is.
All right, the Fall 75, another great cognac cocktail, perfect for fall, perfect for Thanksgiving. Cheers. Oh man, that's nice. The name is a twist on the French 75, but it's definitely giving me more champagne cocktail vibes because champagne cocktail is cognac with champagne. This one, so it's got those flavors. It's just got that little extra apple and spices from our spiced apple syrup. This is really nice. That bubbly, sparkling wine, the richness, the warmth of the Courvoisier cognac, and then those baking spices and deep apple flavor from the syrup. Yeah, definitely make this one. If you want more cocktail ideas for Thanksgiving, check out this video. And if you want more fall cocktails, check out this playlist. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.